Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, January 16, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. I just want to talk to you about how you can use Cash Building System Unlimited to build any business that you're in online. And the way that I do it, well, first of all, if you're not familiar with what Cash Building System Unlimited is, it's a direct mail postcard opportunity where you mail out these postcards here, all right, and they have fast start bonuses, spillover bonuses, upgrade bonuses. You can build residual income off of the people that you refer. And for a one-time $50 payment, you're going to receive 200 peel and stick address labels of opportunity seekers. So these are people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income. All right, they've requested more information to receive information about work from home opportunities. So when you refer somebody to this opportunity, everyone joins for $50. That's phase one. And then we have a phase 2 level where you can earn even more commissions. We have 8 different levels on that, ranging from $100 all the way up to $5,000. And you can earn commissions up to $3,500 off of one referral. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this opportunity or any opportunities I'm involved with, but if you show up and put in the work, you can make this work. And what I do is I mail out letters, okay? And in the letter, I put a Cash Building System Unlimited postcard, okay? So say you're with Live Good or with Got Backup or another network marketing company, or you have another business opportunity. In that letter, you would put a postcard for Cash Building System Unlimited with a postcard from your company or a flyer from your company or a drop card or whatever it may be, and you mail those out to people who are looking for ways to make money. And this converts like crazy for me, okay? What I do is I have a little simple letter. It tells people who I am, basically that I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years, been working full-time for myself since 2018, and then I put in my 4 different opportunities that I'm a part of. And I get signups all the time doing this. This is a super easy method that works if you just show up and work it. That's the key to this. You have to stay consistent. You have to treat it like a real business. Like I say in all my videos, if you treat it like a real business, you'll get business pay. If you treat it like a hobby, you'll get hobby pay. And if you do what 99% of people do, and they join these opportunities and take 0 action, you're going to get 0 results. Okay? So you have to go in with the right mindset, knowing that you're not going to get rich overnight doing this, but you can build up a nice monthly residual income if you stick with it long enough and not give up after the first 30 days. Because what happens is, imagine if you have, 20, 30, 50, or 100 people who you refer to Cash Building System Unlimited. All right, it's a one-time payment of $50 and you're getting 200 postcards and 200 address labels. It's a no-brainer. It's the product itself is worth more than $50. So anybody who hasn't works in the online space needs leads, right? So you can share this opportunity with anybody. And when you double it up with another program or opportunity that you're involved with, and you mail out a letter, the letter makes it more personable. They can see who you actually are. You put your contact information there so they can get a hold of you if they have any questions or need any assistance. And then you brand yourself at the same time. It's a no-brainer, folks. $50 to get started. And then you can build your other business with this. And then when you join, you're going to get the opportunity to buy more leads from the company. You can buy discounted postage. You can buy more postcards. And when you join me, you're going to get a resource page I put together that has over 80 different places that you can share this opportunity online. 99% of the places are free. You're going to get my letter template, and you're going to get my contact information so that you can ask me questions and reach out anytime you need help. So if you want more information about this opportunity, you just go to mailboxmoneyempire.com, mailboxmoneyempire.com. Put your name and email address in there. Watch the couple videos. It goes into greater detail about how all this works. And then reach out to me once you join, and I'll send you my welcome email with my resource page and everything that you need to get started, okay? So if you're looking for a way to supplement or replace your income or to grow your business that you're already in, Cash Building System Unlimited is a really, really good opportunity. All right, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Hope you found value in my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.